friends, welcome to Sahani Creation. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our new videos. Thank you.
Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to cut freehand flowers. Okay, so from the one circle I am going to tell you how to cut it, freehand flowers. Okay, so templates I have already shown you because many of you don't want to cut, so let me just show you. See, one slit here and one slit here and one slit here and one slit here. Okay, so this would be your 4 petal flower, but this would be your 4 petal flower. Okay, for that what you will be needing, you have to decide like we are going to make this shape. Okay, and then what you have to do, again you have to make the same slit like this. Okay, from one side it's done. Now I am taking this side and okay, so these are 4 petal hand cut flower without any, so this flower is done. Okay, so you can make different kinds of flower with the same. Okay, you can give the variety of shape, like if you want, then you can give it shape like this. There are tremendous of shapes are available. Okay, different kinds of work you can make it. So you can make the freehand cut flowers like this. Okay,